Okay, this is what I want to show you about accumulator so you guys could get to understand. Can you see everything here is reading 000? Most of the time this happens, okay? It happens all the time. And apart from this happening, sometimes the value flickers, okay? Most especially when they are doing update and all that, so it is normal. That's one of the most reasons why I stopped using the value these things provide for me. I prefer to use my own value. So I have my own value generated from their own so that it can give me and show me the right direction. So I'm not going to be looking out. These are some of the things you have seen over the years using them, okay? Allows me to understand. You see when I refresh, you are seeing hello. Can you see when I refresh? Can you see the data? Can you see now they are showing you data is now here. These data as you are seeing, they are old data. They are not the new one. They are old data. They are not the new ones. I can easily tell you. At least I can still tell you the last 5 data should be 2, 13, 35, 17, 8. 2, 13, 35, 8. Okay, and then the current data, it's the current one without spike now, it's more than 80. Not this. I hope you're understanding now. So when I'm telling you, oh, you can trade with this, or I even give you a formation like the one I gave for accumulator, even if you have to use it, you have to be very careful, okay? Because now there are a few ways of right now, okay, the data now changed from 95 to 13. But what can you see here? That's the actual real data when the spike happened. And I'm talking about 5. I'm talking about 5%. I'm not even using 4. I'm not using 3. It's not that I'm using another one. I'm talking about if I change it to other ones, you will see other data stuff, whatever. Can you see how the stats and stuff is misbehaving? Most times when they are doing upgrade, okay, these things happen. Can you see just me trying to change to another, okay, let's see 3 now. I change to 3. Can you see? So most times these things happen when they are trying to update their information, update the website. It happens like that. But as it is like this now, can I trade? Yes, I can trade with my own signal. Okay. Resend account. I can trade with my own signal, not with this. So all this one you are seeing now, I am not using this to trade. Now it is corrected now. What I have now is 7, 13, 13, 95. Now it is correct like this. It is now it has now been corrected. Are you getting me? 15, yes, 16. It's now correct. This is now the correct data. Are you getting it? Sometimes when they do all these their updates, these things happens. So they are bound to happen. They are bound to happen. There is no magic. Okay. I'm actually waiting for a signal setup to see if I can trade, but I don't think I'll be able to wait much longer. It's just one trade I wanted to do. So I've just pressed enter. I've done my trade, okay? I need you to understand. It's important you understand. This is accumulator. The balance I had here before was 0.2. So I have made roughly, let's say maybe 9% or 18%. 8% of the money I had there. It's very simple, slow and steady. You don't need to rush it. I only wanted to show you one of the reasons why I said I prefer using my own data. Right now, the data is now, yes, 24/7, 1, 13, 13. It's now balanced. I have my own data that I work with that allows me to be able to use my strategy consistently. Not depending on something that can suddenly probably maybe do maintenance or stuff and then it can cause losses. So those ones have been exempted. That's why I want the signal service to be stable, run on its own, let people be able to use. But if you want to use my accumulator signal, I recommend, I don't know, maybe because this phone does not allow me to split. Unlike the normal phone, I could split this guy. I will split it into 2 screens. I have one for signal up and then for trading below. But right now, I don't think I can do that. I can't do that. But if you're able to do that on your phone, fine. But if not, you have to open 2 browsers. Okay, you open 2 browsers, one for signal, one for placing your trade. And you make sure you enter the trade immediately. Okay, because accumulator, doing trades of accumulator is under 2 seconds. Okay, just 2 seconds, 4 seconds, you are done. It doesn't take the whole day. 4 seconds and you are done. Okay, God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Should I see you another time?